you know me better, but you really don't. And it's like every time I get up, I'm just trying to cope. I gotta roll another L up, boy, you trying to smoke? Alright, then I'ma get up. Hey guys, welcome to TimewithTemi, where every week you get to spend a little bit of time with me in the minutes that is my brain. So today I'm coming at you with another how-to style colour video. I'm really enjoying coming up with the concept of these videos because I'm branching out into different colours, which I didn't think I would ever branch into, so it's really nice to be able to delve into that. And today we are playing with baby pink, as suggested by my long-time follower. I'm a long-time fan. And I just really appreciate it because she was the only person in the comments who suggested another colour, and it was the one thing that I asked you to do. So thank you, Adura, for giving me another colour to work with. And I hope that I've done you justice for this colour today. And if you guys have any other colours that you'd like me to play with, leave them in the comments down below because I'd love to try and play with different colours. So let me know. But before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notifications so you know every single time that I post. Anyway, on to today's outfits. So Adura gave me baby pink, and as soon as I saw that comment, I thought of Y2K. I love to scream, and I will die on this hill, but I love to scream that I'm a 90s babe because I am. And I was there, and it's what my aesthetic is. My life was more prevalent, and my life was more around the Y2K era, and I also I'm heavily influenced by Y2K fashion. That's why I love low-rise jeans so much. I feel like that was a big staple of the Y2K era. So I heard baby pink, I heard Y2K, and I went with that. Oh, it made me think of B2K. Oh. So with these looks today, we're really gonna delve deep into my interpretation of Y2K and what I can give you with that.
I think it's time for something new.
So with outfit number one, I wanted to start with a statement piece for this whole look. And I think it was just amazing. And the thing with baby pink, and the thing I didn't want to do monochrome, and I didn't want to be playing with different tones and stuff. Mixing tones and mixing textures isn't anything new for me, but I love to mix tones and I love to mix textures. I wanted to play with this era, which I think I've said about 1,000 times, but I was trying to play with an era in time, not so much the colour, which seems kind of stupid because that's the whole point of these videos. So I give you look number one. This is literally a carbon copy of a picture that I saw on Pinterest and I have been obsessed with. And this is the pinnacle of my fashion sense. And this is how I want to look all day, every day, at all times if I had the effort. But I don't have the effort and I don't have the energy. That is all that I can say about this outfit.
I think it's time for something new.
Now with this second outfit, because I have baby pink, I just thought it was such an easy, I think it was kind of lazy of me to do this, but a very easy way for me to add to that style of pink was to add white to it, because white and black, obviously they are colours that can go with everything. But I just wanted to start with something simple. But again, I'm playing on the era, but I just wanted something simple. Because it's not, although I'm using colour, it's not every day that it's in your face and it's attacking you with, oh, it's pink. We get it. I wanted something simple, but still encapsulated the era, and I think this just does it just about enough for me.
Hey, I think it's time for something new.
And then the second one, it gave me very Clueless vibes, and it was everything that I wanted. And the print, I think, it's reflective of the time. This is a big theme. I've said it from the beginning. I'll keep saying it. I wanted to reflect the time, and I think this dress is really reflective of that time, and I got to be able to do that with this whole outfit. And then again, I just had this top underneath it, and I paired it with my knee-high white boots that I got from ASOS. Put some little clips in my hair. I just felt like a Clueless girl. I was just, this is very clueless. This is very me. It's the clueless for me.
Hey, I think it's time for something new.
And finally, with outfit 4, mixing tones and mixing textures isn't anything new for me. If it's new for you, it's because you haven't subscribed, so I suggest you do that. But I love to mix tones and I love to mix textures. And this here, the skirt takes us out of the baby pink era and element that we were in. And like the theme of this whole video, which is baby pink. But I like the two tones of it. And I originally saw this outfit in blue. But I just knew it would work in pink. So just having that darker tone straight skirt with the cardigan on top. It was everything that it was a. But yeah, that is my outfit number 4. Just giving you. It's very cute, and it delves into more of this century and this era of clothing, which I'm not involved in, but it's nice to dabble in it sometimes, I would say. But anyways, guys, that is all that I have for you guys today. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up so I know that I'm making content that you enjoy. Like I said at the beginning, if you have any other colours that you want me to play with, please leave them in the description box below. I want to be playing with colours this year. That's a big goal of mine, so just let me know so I can play with it. All of my social media links will be in the description box below, so you can see all of the pictures that I took in these outfits down there for your joy and for your pleasure. I enjoyed the time we got to spend with you. I hope you enjoyed the time you got to spend with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye! I just wanted to call you for your fans. I know you wanted to leave them with a message.
In fact, no, that's not Time with Temi. This is an elevated Time with Temi, so I can't even think. I've learnt my lessons. Times and all the blessings. Remix. Hi, fans. This is Temi speaking. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I just wanted to say I miss you all so much. And how we're going to be reunited soon, as soon as Temi decides. Oh, as soon as Boris lets us outside, because we are social distancing girls, we are self-isolating girls, and we are on lockdown. But I just want to say hi, miss you all so much. And yeah, don't forget to like this video, share. All Temi's links are in the description box down below. And please share this with your friends, your families, co-workers, your peers, everybody. Get this video out there. Come on, let's show the world Temi's talents. All right, girls?
All right, girls.